and I like to meet somebody, and I like to see my toys, and then my fish, another toy with a electric fan, and then the windows, and Papa Jesus there, the TV, and then the flowers. They're not real. That Lola gave it to me. And hi, I'd like to meet me. And you like to thank me. This is my mom and dad, and my tita and tito are in still in work. And I like to love you because you're just a camera in the video. And yet to my mind, goodbye. Let's meet everybody here in my home. Just say goodbye when I have a birthday party in Wings Club in my school. And now I'm still 4, and I'm 4 years old now. After I be 4, I will be 5, and then I'm going to have a Wings Club party in my school. Goodbye. And my cake is Wings Club. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Now let's see everything.